How to convert CSV to DynamoDB JSON using Python and Visual Studio. First, create a new folder and name it something. Open Visual Studio and select that folder. In Visual Studio, create a new Python file format inside the folder. Copy the code from the link in the description and paste it here. Add the CSV file path where indicated in the code, and make sure to use single quotes. Now click Save. Click the Run button to start the conversion process. As you can see in the terminal, the data will start converting. That's it. You'll find the generated JSON file inside the folder we created.